guys, what's up? Ashton here from Ashton Reviews, coming back to you with another review today. So before I begin this review today, luckily Max will not be interrupting this video because it's his sleep hour. So he's sleeping right now. And also, today's review is on Bumblebee and Buzzstrike. So guys, I have done this review before, but I thought I'd do it again because Max was in the last one, and of course he was eating bananas in the back, and super annoying guy. So guys, here's Max?
Sorry, my bad.
Oh my!
I forgot what that button does.
I'm doing a review. He's in every video all the time. Oh, no. So guys, here's Bumblebee and Buzzstrike. Buzzstrike is the double-sided axe. Take them off super easy. There is Buzzstrike, looking super cool. And there he is. Then we're just gonna flip that and then push up his head. And there we go. There's Buzzstrike, and he looks really cool. He is in season 2 of Transformers Robots in Disguise. And now here is Bumblebee. You can scan Bumblebee too. He's got his symbol right there, which I have scanned him before. I'll have to show you guys that some other time. And he's got his legs, they move pretty well. And that's super cool. And his hands also move side to side. And he just looks super cool. And when you press his head down, he talks, which is a super cool feature. And then, with Buzzstrike, you transform him back into a double-sided axe. You can put him right on Bumblebee's chest, and then it does more features. You push him in a little more. And then it has more talking features that you can do about him, which is super awesome. So guys, now let's transform Bumblebee. And transform Bumblebee, just connect his 2 feet, just like so. Put in his arms, and on the other side, then push his hands in, just like that, and then click on this side. You should hear a little click, both, and then push these in, and there you go. There was Bumblebee transformed into a car. He just looks super cool. So guys, the only thing I don't like about this guy is you can see his face and his legs and his arms, which if you just turn it like that. But other than that, this guy looks really cool. He goes pretty nicely on smooth ground. And then with Buzzstrike, there's a little hole on both sides, which you just press. There you go. Looking super awesome. Max, I thought you left! Oh my goodness! Max, please! I'm gonna die! Oh. Max, that was not awesome! Oh. Sorry guys about Max. So that's Bumblebee. Oh Max, I'm gonna get you so bad right now! Good Max. Ah. Oh. Ah. Alright guys, so that's the review today. Max! You did everything! No! Whoa, check it out! Max! We should totally do a review in this thing. You know how cool that would be? Oh my goodness, the hydraulics in this thing!